We understand the importance of reliability when it comes to skylights. After all, nobody wants to deal with constant replacements. That's why today we're pitting two skylights against each other in the ultimate test. On one side, we have our Icon SL1422 skylight model, and on the other side, we have a competitor's model. Let's start by examining them in their new condition. So the first thing I notice when I have a look at these two skylights, and you've already seen it as well, on the competitor skylight you see the warping where the Icon model sits flush. I've also noticed there's some burring on the screw holes. I don't notice that on the Icon model. And then when I look at these skylights, there's definitely a difference in thickness. The Icon model a lot thicker than the competitor model as well. All right, so that's our initial look at these two skylights. Now, let's put them to the test. When it comes to skylights, quality matters. Opt for Icon skylights for lasting durability. Contact us today to light up your world.